Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for February 3rd, 2020. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Excuse me. The markets did rally after Friday's steep loss, although that rally faded during the day, and we did close near the lows of the day here on the Dow. The Dow did finish higher by 143 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 23. While the NASDAQ bounced a very respectable 122 points, while the Russell finished higher by 18. The bond market was slightly lower, and the yield on the 10-year note finished at 1.526%. Crude oil continued to plunge here, and actually there it is, just below that 50 line. Closing at the lows of the day, so that is not good for crude. Expect lower prices there. Gold down $6.50 today, while the dollar bounced here against the CAD, and here it is against a basket of 6 other currencies. The dollar index bouncing nicely off that 20-period moving average. Now, after market close, Alphabet, otherwise known as Google, reported quarterly earnings. They did beat their EPS number handily, came in at $15.35 compared to an expected number of $12.53. Excuse me, but their revenue was much lighter than expected. Came in at $46.08 billion compared to $46.94 billion. They're selling off hard after market close. They're lower by $76 or a little over 5% in the after hours trading session. So look for more on that this evening and into tomorrow's open. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.